If you want to close background apps on a Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, if you use 3 buttons for navigation, then in that case you want to use this button over here. Of course, it can be positioned on the left side, that depends on the button order option in the system navigation settings, but essentially we are looking for this button that is like a rectangle with 2 lines. If you tap on it, you will open the list of background apps, also known as recents, and then in here we can just continue in a second. But first, let me also show you how to do that when you use the gesture navigation. In this case, in order to open the list of background apps, you just have to simply swipe from the bottom side of the phone into the middle for and hold your finger for like half a second or so. You will feel like a very tiny vibration once you hold your finger for enough time, but you can see that is very simple gesture. Alright, so now that we have the list of background apps opened, in order to close an app, a single one, you just have to swipe up, and this closes just one app. But what you can also do is, of course, you can use the clear all button that we have here at the bottom of the screen, and then it closes everything that is listed in recents. And that is all. Leave a like and subscribe.